Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your Android version and model because menus differ between manufacturers, and that matters. Once done, open Settings and go to Sound and Vibration. Some phones list this as sound. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so you can hear feedback, and keep the notifications you want to test on screen. Now, tap Vibration Intensity or Advanced Sound options to access the controls you'll adjust immediately. You'll see separate sliders for call, notification, and touch vibration on many devices. Reduce one at a time so you can hear the effect. Move each slider in small increments. That preserves feedback while lowering annoyance. After adjusting, press the test button or tap the screen to verify. If vibration feels too weak, nudge the slider up slightly. If your phone lacks sliders, use haptic strength or accessibility options to achieve similar control. Once satisfied, exit Settings and use your phone normally to confirm the change holds. Sometimes a quick reboot finalizes system adjustments. Make sure to check accessibility right arrow touch or haptics for extra granular controls if available. If vibration remains unexpectedly strong, remove any case that could amplify feedback and test again. If problems persist, recalibrate by restarting or, as a last resort, visit a service center, but first, reboot and recheck the sliders because that fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.